Hi guys, DJ Vaibhav here, just sharing my new Bluetooth speaker with you. I wanted to buy a new Bluetooth speaker for myself and I was searching for some better options which fits in my budget. So one of my friends suggested me this. Let's open it and see what's inside. So here is Xsound Go by 3beat. You can scan this barcode and visit their website and Facebook page. Let me open this box. Okay, it's quite heavy in weight. I believe that if anything's heavy, it's good. The build quality of this speaker is really good. Design looks very cool, decent matte finish color, not that flashy lights and all. Talking about the specifications, it's 12 watt speaker. Basically it has two speakers of 6 watt each on both sides. So you will definitely get good output with the surround sound. Here this is the control panel. All the buttons to operate like power button, Bluetooth, play pause and volume control. Also it has an internal microphone, so you can use it as speakerphone. Here at the behind it's charging port and audio input. In case if you don't have Bluetooth on your device, you can connect this speaker simply using 3.5mm jack to jack cable. It's been more than 3 months I'm using this speaker. I'm really in love with this. Sound quality is really good. It's enough loud. Sound is very sweet and clear with rich in bass. Even at the full volume, speaker doesn't distort or vibrates. Company claims the battery life of 24 hours non-stop playing, and that's true. In last 3 months, I have hardly charged it for 4 to 5 times. Also it's waterproof. I haven't done the waterproofing test, but by looking at the design and material, I'm 100% sure it's waterproof. It has Bluetooth 4.2 technology which gives you 66 feet Bluetooth range, and you will hear no loss of connectivity even at the full volume cause there is no vibration. Bluetooth is really powerful. It can be paired with any device like iOS or Android very easily. Best part is it's small in size, so you can carry in your pockets. I would say it's best Bluetooth speaker for me, which fits in my budget. If you wish to buy this speaker, I have provided link in the description. Do check it out. If you have any suggestions like you own any another Bluetooth speaker, do mention here in comment section. I would definitely love to try them in future. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.